still in my mind. The truth is so hard to find. With all the things that's going on, I lost track, I felt so strong. I got you on my mind, but something's been done wrong. Sometimes I've been thinking of what to make of me and my memories. Sometimes I've been thinking of, dreaming of what it could have been besides memories. 'Cause I still need you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right now it's around 4 p.m. and I'm actually traveling back home from work. But you can see I have some pimple close to my lips. I feel like popping it out, but let me just give it time. Yeah, so guys, in today's video, we are just going to be spending a bit of my evening routine, just a bit of it, because I'm not sure if I'm going to finish this video. I'm super tired. I just feel like getting home and get to sleep. Today I have been having a hard time at work. Yeah. So let's go home guys and see what else we can do. So you stick around until this at the end of this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and also do leave a comment for me. And before I could get home, I stopped somewhere to pick these burgers. It has been a while, guys, since I ate Kenya. They have gone so high, guys. Like the cost of living in Kenya right now is so high. Like this burger, I used to buy them at 50 bob, but at this moment they just put at one from 100 bob. Yeah, and I also passed by the butchery to pick some kuku. Yeah, for today we are just going to be doing insagap and kuku kienyeji. Yeah, just stick around guys until the end of this video and let's enjoy and continue doing live. So I'm already home guys, but first thing before I could start doing anything, I just had to take a few naps. Yeah, I was feeling so tired and I'm still feeling so tired. So I found some few utensils on the kitchen, on the sink, and I can't start cooking when they are already there. So I have to clear the sink before I can start cooking.
All I ever dreamed of, it's lost in something deceitful. I've been left astray by the moonlight sweeping. Anonymously from within your home. You better hold me down. You better hold me down. Sometimes I've been thinking of what to make of me and my memories. Sometimes I've been thinking of, dreaming of what it could have been besides memories. 'Cause I still need you. I still need you. What this is about feelings that come through the dark. 'Cause I still need you. I still need you. I've been wondering what this is about feelings that come through the dark. 'Cause I still need you. I still need you. I know you've been left out, but I still need you. I know you've been left out, but I still need you. I know you've been left out, but I still need you. I know you've been left out, but I still need you. You are still in my mind. The truth is so hard to find. With all the things that's going on, I lost track, I felt so strong. I got you.
So after I'm done with the sink, guys, I have now to watch this cuckoo of ours and put it to boil. And unfortunately, I can't remember the name of kenyeji, kuku kenyeji in English. Kindly let me know in the comment section, and I would really, really appreciate that. And for today's video, I think we are going to be doing more of cooking, nothing more, guys. I'm so tired. I had so much plans for this evening video I wanted to do as an evening routine, but I'm so tired. Kindly forgive me for that. Yeah, so you guys, for my new subscribers, welcome to this family and feel at home. I love visitors. Keep inviting more of you to come. Let's subscribe and get to 1000 subscribers. I have put rosemary and a bit of black pepper for our meat to boil when they are in it. I was saying, for my new subscribers, welcome. For my premium one, thank you so much, guys, for always being here for me. And for my returning subscribers, I love you so much, guys. Thank you for always finding my content worth of your time. Yeah, so also want to watch this saga of ours. They are so dirty, guys. You won't even believe your eyes.
On my mind, but something's been done wrong. Sometimes I've been thinking of what to make of me and my memories. Sometimes I've been thinking of dreaming of what it could have been besides memories. 'Cause I still need you. Astray by the moonlight sweeping anonymously from within your home. You better hold me down. You better hold me down. Sometimes I've been thinking of what to make of me and my memories. Sometimes I've been thinking of dreaming of what it could have been besides memories. 'Cause I still need you.
So now I've put cuckoo and also the saga to boil, and while they're boiling, let me just prepare the ingredients. And I'm going to be using red, yellow, and also green capsicum, tomatoes, garlic, ginger, red onions, yes, and some few spices. I don't do a lot of spices because I have a baby in the house. Yeah, so let's just prepare them, guys.
You are still in my mind. The truth is so hard to find. With all the things that's going on, I lost track. I felt so strong. I got you on my mind, but something's been done wrong. Sometimes I've been thinking of what to make of me and my memories. Sometimes I've been thinking I'm dreaming of what it could have been besides memories. 'Cause I still need you.
So for the tomatoes, guys, I'm going to be blending them. Sometimes I find a Nairobi tomatoes so hard to cook. So for this one, I'm just going to blend, and again, blending sometimes makes your soup so heavy. Yeah, so that's why most of the time I blend. So I don't know if your area, wherever you are, especially if you're in Nairobi, the tomatoes you buy, actually when you cook them, they cook uniformly. Just let me know in the comment section.
It's lost in something deceitful. I've been left.
You guys, nobody told me a kienyeji kuku takes too long to cook. My pressure cooker is not working because iliharibika kako kanob kenye kana prevent that gas from getting out, so kalitokana. So I don't know if there's a place I can fix that, and if there's no place, I just want to save for an electric pressure cooker. So since my pressure cooker was not working, this kienyeji kuku took almost 1.5 hours boiling, and it was not even getting ready, guys. Like seriously, is this even, are we even eating kukus, or what are we even eating? Because kuku ya home, like kienyeji ya home, you can't take too much time boiling it, because if you make a slight mistake, you just find it overcooked. Yeah, but here Nairobi nimepika we baby, baby, nyamaza.
Astray by the moonlight, sweeping anonymously from within your home. You better hold me down. You better hold me down.
For the spices, I have only added a little bit of paprika, cumin powder, and also what is that? Turmeric, and also these two Rico cubes. That is enough, guys.
Sometimes I've been thinking of what to make of me and my memories. Sometimes I've been thinking of dreaming of what it could have been besides memories. 'Cause I still need you. I know you've been left out, but I still need you. I know you've been left out, but I still need you.
So one part is done, guys. Our kuku is ready, and let me tell you, it was the yummiest. It was so yummy, and we ate. Yeah, guys. So this is how I cooked our kienyeji kuku. Just let me know in the comment section how you prepare yours, and I will be glad to copy your recipe, guys.
I know you've been left out, but I still need you. I know you've been left out, but I still need you.
For the onions, I'm only going to be using some cooking oil and also tomatoes. I was told when I was young by my mom that we don't put onions kwa saga. I don't know why. I don't know why it happens like that, but that's how I also cook mine, and they just turned out uh sweet. And you know, asagas sometimes they can be bitter. I don't know. I maybe my mom used to think that when you put onions, they can even add some bitterness, or they can even contribute to that bitterness. So we normally use nyanya and also the cooking oil and some Roco cubes here.
You are still in my mind. The truth is so hard to find. Without
And I'm also going to be adding some milk since I don't have coconut cream in the house.
all the things that's going on, I lost track. I felt so strong. I got you on my mind, but something's been done wrong. Sometimes I've been thinking of what to make of me and my memories.
So it's time now for me to cook ugali, guys. And in this house, we really love ugali. For 7 days, we can do ugali for at least 4 days. That is the most cooked meal in this house. And you guys have been watching most of your videos. I watched June Kirwa. She's a YouTuber. She did a shopping haul, a whole month shopping haul without including maize flour. I wonder what she will be eating for that month. And also Mary Smart Kenya did what we eat in a day video. She did it yesterday. You can also go and check it. And she did a whole day meal plan without including Google. Like seriously, guys, what do you eat in your houses? Let me know in the comment section. Let's interact there, guys. You do shopping without including maize flour. Really, you do a whole day meal plan without including ugali. Just let me know in the comment section, guys. What do you eat in your houses? And without further ado, I will end this video here. And let me see you in my next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I would really appreciate if you like this video and also do leave a comment for me. So let me see you in my next video, guys. And bye.